Hello, Destiny Jackson hair community. This is our third hair tutorial. If you follow the Destiny Jackson hair community on Instagram, you will know, wait a minute, that I have some new accessories. So, watch this video in its entirety and you're going to comment down below which hair bow you prefer. So we have 6 options here. So this is a hair bow try on, and you also will see how to achieve the super simple, super classy, and also super elegant and fun half up, half down look with curls. Okay? So watch the video in its entirety. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to know how to grow long, luxurious, and healthy hair the divine way, and also just growing your God-given hair in the best way without any sort of harsh methods, then you have to purchase. I'm just gifting this. I'm gifting this from me to you. You have to get right now this perfect gift. The book manual is down below. I share all of my secrets with you. I share my hair story. I put it all out there because God put me on this earth to help you and to inspire you. So continue to watch the rest of this video, and I know you will absolutely love it. So we are starting off with curly hair, full hair. If you want to know how to create these beautiful curls, watch our first hair tutorial. So all you need is one elastic. You can see I have it wrapped around 4 of my fingers there, but to start, you're just going to use your fingers and part your hair. That's the left side, so just align your part close to your ear. Okay, so now we will do the right side. I always say we, but this is a collective effort. Okay, so now take those 2 sections and put them up. Use your elastic. We will wrap our elastic around 3 times. That was the second, and that was the third. And now you can tighten it a bit, just a tiny bit. Okay. Yep, I'm checking the mirror off and on to make sure that all looks swell, which it does. Okay, so now it's time for our bow try on, our hair accessories. Okay, so comment down below which bow you prefer, which color you like the best. So this is option number 1. We have the tan bow. Is the tan bow in the running? Number 1. Next, we have Mr. Black Bow, number 2. Just take your time putting in your hair accessories. There's no rush. It already looks so beautiful. Okay. Black Bow, that's how you look. Okay, nice and flowy. And as you can see, this hairstyle is just so versatile. I just love it. I love all of our hairstyles. We keep it pretty simple. And if you want to know more about how to trim and how to grow and how to maintain and keep your hair strong and healthy, then you have to order the hair manual. Okay, number 3, cream bow. Okay, is cream bow in the running? I'm really loving this. So we will take out the cream bow. Don't pull too many strands out. We don't need that. Okay, now we're starting to get into some pastels. Number 4. Is purple the perfect color? Okay, purple. I see you. And let's put that hair to the front. Yes, yes, yes. Is purple in the running? We shall see. So next we have the blue bow. Number 5, beautiful blue. That's such a pretty color, blue. I don't wear too much blue. I often wear more navy, but this blue I like it. It's so calming. So is the blue bow in the running? We shall see. We shall see. So we shall remove bow number 5. And before I show you exactly, I'm going to put this in. But before I show you how bow number 6 looks in totality, it's time for a Snapchat intermission. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. That's bow 6. So comment down below which color you prefer. Like, comment, and subscribe to this amazing video. Yeah, yeah.